A Ukrainian official said that troops working for Ramzan Kadyrov, the Chechen Republic leader and ally of Russian President Vladimir Putin, killed 3 Russian soldiers who did not want to fight in the Ukraine war. A number of Russian soldiers had rioted over a lack of promised pay in Polohi, a district in the southeastern Ukrainian region of Zaporizhzhia, according to an official statement attributed to regional military spokesperson Colonel Ivan Arefyev. The statement, posted to Telegram on Wednesday, said that Ukrainian intelligence found that the soldiers in question were ready to surrender their weapons and go home. But fighters answering to Kadyrov brutally killed 3 of the Russian soldiers, Arefyev's statement said. Kadyrov is a Putin loyalist who runs the quasi-autonomous region of Chechnya with an iron fist. His private militia, Kadyrovites as per the statement, are widely reported to have been fighting in support of Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Arefyev's report, if verified, would give a rare insight into the relationship between Kadyrov's forces and the Russian rank and file in this conflict. Kadyrov's troops have a reputation for ferocity that is frequently leveraged in Kremlin propaganda, according to the New Lines Institute think tank. Arefyev's statement follows a string of reports that a proportion of Russian soldiers are suffering low morale and reluctant to carry out Putin's military objectives in Ukraine. Some such reports originate with Ukrainian officials and are amplified as part of the country's war effort, and not all have been independently verified. Ukraine's security service on Wednesday tweeted audio purporting to be intercepted telephone conversations between frustrated Russian soldiers. In the audio, the voices suggest shooting a former colonel. They said they were left in a precarious situation with no weapons or supplies and that they had been ordered to fire on civilians. "We were like, what the fuck, you know," says one voice. "Fucking bastards, shoot that wanker first, right now, motherfucker," said another, in apparent reference to the colonel. The other can be heard agreeing, saying he would write a massive report when he got home. On March 23, the Ukrainian journalist Roman Sambalyuk reported that frustrated members of a Russian battalion ran over their colonel's legs in a tank, hospitalizing them. A senior Western official later told the Washington Post that they believed the colonel had been killed as a consequence of the scale of the losses taken by his own brigade. In early April, lawyer Mikhail Benyash told the Financial Times that more than 1,000 Russian service members had contacted him after he agreed to represent 3 Russian National Guardsmen who refused to fight in Ukraine. The Russian newspaper Skavskaya Gubernia also reported on April 7 that 60 Russian paratroopers had refused to join the invasion. The paper has a reputation for independence within Russia's repressive media environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.